The government says it will consult local stakeholders before moving ahead with the proposed structured migration program with the United States. Minister without portfolio in the Office of the Prime Minister, Ambassador Audrey Marks, said discussions will be held with trade unions, private sector groups, civil society organizations, and opposition representatives before the initiative is implemented. Speaking during a Jamaica Information Service ministerial update at Jamaica House recently, Ambassador Marks said the program is intended to respond to anticipated changes in U.S. immigration policy.
This was concretized later on in the America First policy document. And when you read that, it clearly shows that there will be mass deportations. In fact, not even a person whose parents born in another country and the child is born in the United States, even that would be questioned. So it's a massive relook, a significant and material relook at America's migrant policy and immigration policy, so to speak. So in my role as ambassador, the first thing that I must do whenever there's any policy changes going on in the United States, I must look at how that impacts Jamaica.
She says the wider proposal also explores expanding opportunities for Jamaican seasonal workers in the U.S.
Right now the cap is about 20,000 and we'll be proposing more like 200,000. And so my thinking was, how do we get ahead of this situation and propose to the U.S. that we can help? We can help because we have an established legal system of bringing workers into the country.
The minister insists the program would be designed to avoid displacing Jamaican workers, arguing instead that it would support economic expansion, skills development, and job creation.